We have a limited number of attorneys available to the lower income population. We have people representing themselves who do not understand and sometimes can't even read. There are needs to match the district attorney's office and the public defender's office because they are overworked, and the public defenders cannot do the quality level that I know they are capable of if they don't have the resources and they have to take too many cases. We need to address implicit bias and systemic challenges. Again, we need your push to do those things.
We identified that in the first 3 days after experiencing trauma, we asked a victim of domestic and sexual violence to go to 8 different places in our community. She had to fill out 61 pages of forms, talk to 21 people, wait 8 times, and she got handed 30 referrals.
Because the goal again is understanding that sometimes people make mistakes. They might not have the information that that we're providing to them. And again, don't do it again. But this is an opportunity because criminal justice evolves and have lifelong impacts. Once you have that record, it's not easy to get rid of it.
I'm Jan Beach.
Jane Beach. So pretty much the only thing I want to ask you is, what did you think about the meeting? If it wasn't any help, basically what do you think about the organization and how they're working to help the community out?
I was very impressed with the 2 justice centers. Being fairly new to Asheville, I didn't know they existed. I have been aware that a lot of good things are happening, a lot of good work is being done in Asheville, but it gives me the specifics on it, and I think all the presenters are well chosen and did a great job. So I was very glad that I came out, even though it would have been easier to stay home.
Well, thank you and welcome to Asheville.
One of the important things to note is that when people come to access services at the Family Justice Center, we're not looking at any sort of whether or not you're a citizen, whether or not you have documentation. We just want to make sure that you're safe.
Maybe you could tell us a little bit more contact information that somebody can reach out to in case of sexual assault or domestic violence.
Sure. So we welcome walk-ins. We are located at 35 Woodfin Street, downtown, right across from the YMCA. And folks can come through our door Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. If they want to give us a call and talk more about what options are available, they can call us at 828-250-6900. And also they can check out buncombecounty.org/FJC.
Thank you very much.
Tiffany Hanacho. With Buncombe County, and I am the coordinator of the Justice Resource Center.
Okay, can you tell us a little about what you guys talked today or what the whole meeting was about?
So I just offered a little information about the Justice Resource Center. It's located at 60 Court Plaza on the 15th floor. We are an access center for people who have been involved with the criminal justice system. And our goal is to really get people engaged, to get them access to services, whether it's connect them with housing, connect them with employment opportunities, education, food stamps, Medicaid, public benefits.
How all these benefits actually work towards the Hispanic community, or if they can even access any of the benefits that you guys offer or help resource with?
Sure, definitely, because we're just trying to make a bridge and build a connection. So anybody who's kind of come in contact with law enforcement, has a pending charge, a dismissed case, or just really needing help with resources, we may be able to assist in doing that. So we're able to provide people with connections to employment opportunities. We work with employers to say, hey, I got a person that's willing to work and is here. So again, our goal is to get everybody self-sufficiency.
Your name?
I'm Susan Dotson-Smith, but I go by Smitty in the community. So I'm a district court judge, so I'm not with an organization, but I was here tonight to help people learn about government structure and how our court system works. In our courthouse, we always have access to interpreters. And it's really important for people to know that whether it's a civil or criminal matter, we can get access to interpreters to help them if they're going to represent themselves or if they have an attorney. I'm on the family court rotation, and so we frequently have an immigrant population that has custodial issues and challenges. We frequently are dealing with people who have one parent in this city or county and one parent overseas internationally, and that maybe they need a custody order to make sure that things are okay. It may be that they need a third-party custody order because both parents may be susceptible to some challenges. And so the family court system is open to anyone who has custodial claims and files complaints. We also frequently deal with and this was part of the talk tonight about civil restraining orders and domestic violence, and that it's really important to understand that you don't have to be a citizen to access those services. You do have to be a resident, and our community and our court system are working to try to keep the safeguards that are in place when violence is at issue.